In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, you need to find and access Calendar app. Then select Allow in this pop-up and click on the date that you wish to set up. I will go with this one. Now you need to create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and over here adjust it however you want to. You can pick event or important day. I will go with event though. And now add a title, type in an address and click on start. Over here select starting hour, and you can even change your date. When you're ready, click on OK. You can also click on End and set up ending one. If you don't want to do that or don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by selecting this switcher next all day. Now click on Repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat. For example, I will go with Custom, set up 2 weeks before on Friday, and save my custom repeat section by clicking on the check mark at the top right corner of it. If you wish to disable this feature, click on Repeat and tap on Never. Then you can also set up a reminder minutes, hours or weeks before your event. Mark it as important by choosing this switcher, pick an account, and even take notes. Finally, save your event by choosing checkmark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to edit it, click on it and tap on Edit option at the bottom. Then make your changes and discard them by choosing X icon at the top left corner, or save them by choosing checkmark at the top right one. Now, if you want to delete your event, you need to click on Delete at the bottom right corner of it and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!